Hi, and welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In today's video, we are going to talk about how to search a specific services by your interest on Fiverr. Maybe you want to search on Fiverr by your interest so that it will be easy for you to choose the best person to do the job. Check the video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Without further ado, let's get into the video. First, you need to do is to open your Fiverr application. Once you open your Fiverr application, you'll see the icons below. The home icon, message icon, search icon, list icon, and your profile icon. In today's tutorial, tap on the search icon. And then in here, at the top, you'll see here the categories and interest. If you want to search by your interest, simply tap on this interest button. And as you can see below, here is your interest. The edit photos and images. Let's click your interest. This edit photos and images. And then in here, select a specific one. For example, photo manipulating. Tap on it. And now, you can see many services that offer photo manipulating. You can also see the rate in here. There you go. If you wanted to know how to search on Fiverr by interest, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to search on Fiverr by interest, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.